Old turtle tank, new turtle tank, 160 gallons fiberglass tank. I got a pond liner, bamboo outside. The lights, I put them on the top with two boards running across that are velcroed to the pond liner, so it's removable lights. This is her basking area. It's a milk crate with turf on it. Her basking light, and underneath I cut a hole, and she never comes out now. She stays in that cave in the crate. They love caves. I've got her fountain hanging over here. That was kind of difficult, but it was bungee cords. I had to figure it out. So we got full of lily pads, rocks, river rocks, plants. She's loving it. She does not like the fish. I read they like to be solitude, so I put up this bordering crate roof, and in here are the two fish. They have their own heater and their own filter, so they're loving it. So it's like two tanks in one.